Hi, I'm Patrick from the Naples Botanical Garden. I work in the education department, and today we're going to talk about some gardening techniques involving seed saving. In this case, I have a serrano pepper. I got this from my garden here, and I harvested it after it had already basically almost over ripened on the plant itself. That is why it has this nice red color. A lot of times you buy serranos in the store, they're still green. And a lot of times when I harvest my serranos, I harvest them while they're green. But this one I wanted to save seeds from. Now, when you save seeds, you want to make sure that the plant you're saving them from is not a hybrid. Also, you want to make sure that there aren't other plants it can cross-pollinate with. In the case of other peppers, you want to make sure that they are spaced out far enough away. Or you can also try to purposely self-pollinate a flower to ensure you're not getting it cross-pollinated, so that the seeds you save will be the exact same plant that you got the seeds from. In this case, I have cut the pepper in half, and when you cut it in half, you'll see lots of seeds inside there, and I usually like to save them onto a ceramic plate. So I just scrape them out, make sure if there's any plant material, wipe that off on my paper towel, and try to keep them separated so that they'll get nice and dry. I'll probably let this sit out on my counter for about a week, 5 days to a week. That way you ensure the seeds get really nice and dry before you put them into an envelope to save for when you're ready to plant them. So that is how you can do some seed saving from a pepper at home. Thank you.